about me reviewing this fantastic crazy beast. Such a beautiful bike. I was really looking forward to test ride it, and I'm super happy to have it finally in my hands. And in this nice sunny hot weather in Greece, it's just perfect to do the review today. So the underlying concept of the new Streetfighter V4 is that it's basically a Panigale V4 that is completely stripped off their fairings and has wide handlebars, regular ones, not the clip-on handlebars. Extremely powerful. I think it's a bike that definitely finds your limits, so you're not like the other way around. If you're familiar with my videos, you probably know that I'm 175 centimeters tall and I weigh 48 kilos. So let's see how this bike fits. So I am almost flat-footed, but better when I am on my tiptoes. Seat is nice, the weight. It doesn't feel like the lightest bike in the world, but also it doesn't feel heavy. It's just, it's quite wide here at the front. Handlebars are lovely. I really like the body position of the feet. You also can take a second passenger, which I wouldn't really recommend, and I wouldn't really want to take anybody in the back when I'm riding this bike. So let's hear the bike. This is the standard version, so there's no modifications on this bike. Is a dream bike for many people out there. I think it's a fantastic, powerful, super duper extreme high-tech bike that just provokes you to go really fast, and it's a beautiful piece of jewelry. It's 1100 cc, 208 horsepower, around 200 kilos wet weight. It has all the high-tech systems you can imagine, from ABS cornering to traction control. It has a quick plunge, 3 different riding modes: street, track, and Sport. So it has 3 different modes: street, track and sport. At the moment I've been riding it on the street mode. It's a shame it doesn't have a rain mode, but they told me at the shop that the street mode, it's kind of like a rain mode, so it's nice and smooth. So this bike for me has 2 negative points. One is the tank. It doesn't have anything here, so when I flex my feet it just keeps going up and down, and I can't really grip into the tank with my feet. So maybe because I'm too skinny, I don't know. Write me a comment if you guys experience the same problem as me. So when I'm riding like that, it keeps moving, but I guess that's a naked bike, right? And the other negative thing is that the handlebars, they remind me a little bit of the Monster, so it doesn't really turn to the angle of the turning is pretty small. So if you try to do a U-turn, I guess you might have to go a bit more back and forth. So comparing to the other bikes, that it has the steering wheel turning a bit more, but besides that, there is nothing negative to say about this bike. It's super duper beautiful, it's very nice, and I think it definitely met my expectations. I really enjoy riding this bike, and I promise I will get it soon, and hopefully I will be able to take it to the track and test it there as well. Because if you want to see the full potentials of the motorcycle, you definitely have to ride it on the track. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. This was my quick review of the Streetfighter V4. And I'm not a journalist, I'm just a girl that loves to ride motorcycles, so I try to give you my genuine personal opinion about this bike and how it feels to be riding it when you're 175 and 48 kilos. Pretty good. This is my review of the Ducati Streetfighter V4, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.